Hello, dear friends, and welcome back to the Health Tuary of Levitas, where enlightenment and empowerment converge to shape your journey towards weight loss and general well-being. So come on and join us as we embark on a very profound exploration into the often overlooked realm of hydration, a voyage that promises to unveil the hidden truths and reshape the very essence of our understanding. What are the deception of hydration myths? What main details you need to know? Let us cast aside the veils of misconception that shroud our known perception of hydration. For too long, we have been ensnared by the fallacy that mere consumption of water is enough for our body's replenishment. Yet, beneath the surface lies a hidden reality: the looming threat of hyponatremia, also known as low sodium concentration levels in the blood. This is a health condition produced by the imbalance of electrolytes resulting from excessive water intake. And yes, you got that right. You can dehydrate yourself by drinking large amounts of water. What are health professionals professing on low sodium? Hyponatremia, though often very underestimated, represents a grave consequence of overhydration. When sodium levels plummet due to the dilution from excessive water consumption, our bodies become susceptible to a myriad of symptoms, ranging from mild discomforts like a headache to life-threatening neurological complications. So what is it that you have to do to achieve for optimal hydration? In our quest for true optimal hydration, we encounter a beacon of hope in between the dangerous waters of dehydration. And this guiding lights are called electrolyte powders. These powders of vitality are infused with essential minerals like sodium, potassium, and magnesium. Very important electrolytes that stand as the main pillars of support in our pursuit of good hydration, equilibrium, and vitality. Sodium, potassium, and magnesium are totally important electrolytes that keep your body well hydrated and working like a built-in clock. High-quality electrolyte powders are a testament to the union between science and nature, meticulously crafted to replenish and rejuvenate the body's inner reservoirs. They help you to unlock the gateway to sustained hydration, vitality, and unbridled potential. Why embracing electrolyte-enriched hydration is so important? Picture yourself along the moments of your daily routine. Whether if you are conquering the peaks of your aspirations and goals or just navigating the currents of life's flow. With electrolyte powder as your steadfast companion, you will navigate the waters of life with grace and a feeling of strength and resilience, fortified by the essence and vitality that drinking electrolytes will provide. High-quality electrolyte powders are not just merely a supplement, it's a catalyst for transformation. We as fitness enthusiasts and coaches have witnessed firsthand its profound impact on performance and recovery during and after exercise. By replenishing vital minerals lost through transpiration, it empowers us to push beyond our limits and unlock our true potential. And if you are able to push your limits, this means better health, better weight loss, and better body composition. Remember, your body needs electrolytes to fulfill all of its normal and basic functions, and also to keep balance within. So, how will you keep your body well hydrated? As we embark on this journey towards optimal hydration, here is our practical guide for you to apply in your daily life. Start using this knowledge now to improve your overall effectiveness. Tip number 1. Listen to your body talking to you. Embrace the subtle cues of thirst as invitations to nourish and nurture the vessel of your soul. Keep in mind that if you are already feeling thirsty, then you may already have a certain degree of dehydration. So pump on those electrolytes rapidly. Tip number 2. Sip and savor. Immerse yourself in the sacred act of hydration, savoring each drop of hydrating liquid that quenches the parched landscape of your being. Tip number 3. Unlock the code. Decode the enigmatic formula of hydration, tailoring your intake to reflect the rhythm of your body's symphony. A harmonious dance between fluidity and form. Want to know how much water you should have specifically for you on a daily basis? Stay until the end of the video and increase your awareness. Tip number 4. Timing is everything. Embrace the art of punctual timing, synchronizing your hydration rituals with the cadence of your daily journey, imbuing each moment with intention and purpose. Consume most of your daily liquids during daylight. This, because it is when you are most active, ideally have your liquids until 7 p.m. tops. The motive is mainly to avoid drinking too much water at night and having you interrupt your good night's sleep. Now that we have learned some basic tips on hydration, it is time to start taking action and begin nurturing your hydration habits. By applying these important principles into the tasks of our daily existence, we not only nourish our bodies, but we also nourish our minds and resilience. Forging a path towards radiant well-being and boundless vitality. Optimal hydration fosters a profound sense of emotional and body well-being. When we honor our minds and bodies' needs with the knowledge and practice, we are able to achieve better results for ourselves, our daily lives, our hydration game, fat loss journey, and the world around us. So, embrace hydration as your daily sacred ritual starting today. And now, as promised, we will lead you in the path to know how to calculate your daily liquid ingestion in 6 simple steps. Calculating your daily water intake is essential for maintaining proper hydration levels and supporting overall health. The water volume intake will vary depending on your daily activity and even weather, so it is very important to pay attention to your body's signals. Here is the simple formula you can use. Step number 1, start with your body weight. The amount of water you need can vary based on your weight. Remember to use your lean body mass weight, since fat weight is not taken into account when keeping yourself hydrated. Step number 2, convert your weight to ounces. For this calculation, you'll need to convert your weight from pounds to ounces. There are 16 ounces in a pound, so if you weigh 150 pounds, you would multiply 150 by 16 to get 2,400 ounces. Step number 3, divide by 2. A general guideline is to drink at least half of your body weight in ounces of water per day. So, using our example, if you weigh 150 pounds, which would be like 2,400 ounces, you would divide that by 2 to get 1,200 ounces for your daily water intake. Step number 4, adjust for activity level. If you're physically active or live in a hot climate, you may need to drink more water to compensate for fluid loss through sweat. In these cases, you can add more ounces of water to your daily intake. It will all depend on your daily exercise and if you are in a hotter environment. Step number 5, consider other factors. Certain factors like pregnancy, breastfeeding, and medical conditions may also affect your hydration needs. It's essential to listen to your body and adjust your water intake accordingly. These factors generally mean that you need to increase water intake for the day. Step number 6, monitor your hydration. Pay attention to signs of dehydration, such as dark urine, dry mouth, fatigue, and headaches. If you experience any of these symptoms, increase your water intake and add at least 1 or 2 servings of high-quality electrolytes during the day. In conclusion, and to summarize today's video, and as we say goodbye to this transformative exploration, remember to apply all the knowledge we provided you in today's video and start using our practical tips to keep yourself better hydrated. Maintaining your body well hydrated is a main thing to do, since it can help you maintain performance during your active day while exercising and keeping yourself productive and strong. Remember to use high-quality electrolyte powders when needed to keep electrolytes balanced within your body, to stay energized and functioning appropriately like it all should. Thank you for tuning into Levitas. If you found this video helpful and informative, be sure to share it with your friends and family. Give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to receive notifications for future videos on weight loss, health, and fitness content. Also, leave a comment sharing your questions, thoughts, and experiences with staying well hydrated. We love hearing from you. Your support is absolutely appreciated. It helps us grow and create even better content for you every week. Remember to fuel your body with the right electrolytes. Stay consistent with your training and keep striving for your fitness goals. Until next time, remain tuned to Levitas for more expert advice to help you on your fitness journey. So stay healthy, stay happy, and keep going.